Do you want to start working in Web3 or earn extra income stream, but you're not sure where to start from? The MetaEarth Navigators program might be your first step. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a way to learn or a chance to start building your new career in Web3, this is your opportunity. At MetaEarth, we believe in equality, ecology, and building a fairer digital world. That's why we're creating the first modular blockchain ecosystem where your identity gives you access to the world, what we call unconditional basic income, or UBI. By completing a decentralized KYC, you prove you are a real human, while keeping the control of your data. No centralized corporation owns it. You do. This is the foundation of our movement. But to grow this vision worldwide, we need you. Passionate people who can spread the word, support local communities, and onboard the next wave of pioneers into MetaEarth. There are different ways you can contribute. You can become a brand navigator and use your own platform to create content. Post about MetaEarth and build awareness in your local language. But we also understand that some people don't like to put their face on social media. We have community navigators helping us manage Telegram groups and local Twitter's accounts, building strong Web3 communities. Or you can simply become a promotion navigator and focus on bringing in new people. Share your invite link, guide them through the KYC, and help them start earning with MetaEarth. Each role not only earns you rewards, but also gives you real-world Web3 experience and visibility in the space. Some of our navigators earn up to 500 USDT per month or even more just by dedicating a little time each day. And by joining, you don't just earn rewards, you become part of a fast-growing community committed to build a fairer world through Web3. This is your chance to gain experience, learn hands-on, and stand out as early believers in a project that's scaling fast. So if you're ready to take your first step into the Web3 world, join the MetaEarth Navigators program today. Of course, you have to download the MePass app, complete your MeID, and apply for the role that fits you best by filling up the form in the description. But spots are limited in each country, so don't wait. Start small, grow with us, and let's build the future of Web3 together.